Hello friends, this is a crochet leaf pattern. For this pattern you will need 3.5 mm crochet hook and crochet thread. This is a cotton thread. Let us start how to make these simple crochet leaves. First you take your thread and wrap the thread or yarn in your finger in 2 to 3 times and remove it, and then you insert your hook inside this ring and pull through the yarn and make one single crochet and make 2 half double crochet into the ring, then make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and now I am making 3 treble crochet, 1 2 more times, 2 treble crochet, 1 more times, 3 treble crochet, and now I am making 1 2 3 chain, and then I am going to the third chain from my hook and make one single crochet and make 3 treble crochet in the same into the same ring, then I am making 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 double crochet. Now I am making 2 half double crochet into the same ring, then I am making 1 single crochet, and now I am tied it and then I am making one slip stitch, join it together, and now you can make some chains, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. This is a leaf. This is a very simple and easy leaf, you can make it easily, and cut the extra yarn. Thanks for watching my videos and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.